how to create your Amazon wish list and share it. Now, if you want to create your wish list on Amazon and you want to add products and you also want to share your wish list with someone else, it's very simple. Once you're logged into Amazon.com on the website, at the top right hand side you can see your name. Hover your mouse over it and you'll see the option called your list. You'll find a list of lists if you've created those lists, but if you haven't, just click on the option called create a list. Once you go to create a list, you simply have to give your list a name. Once you've created a list and that you've added some products to it now, maybe you want to go ahead and then share this list with somebody. To share the list with somebody, on the right hand side of the list, you can see the little share icon. Just click on it and you can invite someone to either view only or maybe view and edit. So depending on what you want, you must have a public profile, so click on create profile if you want to make it editable one. Otherwise, if you just want to make it view only, you can copy the link, share the link with somebody who you want to be able to see your wish list on Amazon. This way you'll be able to create a wish list on Amazon and share it. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.